OMZ Group, rigorous solutions in heavy industry. OMZ Group is one of the largest Russian holdings engaged in the heavy machine building industry. The only manufacturer in Russia and CIS of fully packaged nuclear island-scale equipment for nuclear power plants with VVER 1000 and VVER 1200 reactors. The leading Russian manufacturer of unique, large tonnage equipment used for the petrochemical industry. One of the world's 5 leading manufacturers of large and extra-large items made from special steels. The leading Russian manufacturer of electric-powered mining excavators and drag lines. One of the leading manufacturers of oil and gas drilling equipment. The largest Russian manufacturer of metallurgical equipment. Equipment manufactured by the holding provides for approximately 80% of industrial gas production in Russia. All of the company's product lines are based on its own engineering. OMZ Group carries out a large-scale program of modernization of manufacturing facilities with the financial support of Gazprombank. More than 24,000 highly qualified employees with a long tradition and continuity of generations work for the OMZ Group. The company has developed and employs effective systems for employee hiring, work compensation, social security, and personnel training and development. OMZ Group considers product quality as one of the key conditions for achieving high competitiveness and economic efficiency. The quality management system developed and implemented in all of the plants meets the requirements of the ISO 9001:2008 standard. The Izhora industrial site locates the base companies of the holding, Izhorsky Zavody, OMZ Special Steels, OMZ Foundry, and IZ Kartex. Izhorsky Zavody is a recognized leader of the national nuclear engineering, one of the world's 3 leading manufacturers of primary vessel equipment for nuclear power plants. It has more than 80 kinds of equipment, including the most critical components like the reactor vessel with internals, pressure compensators, steam generator vessels, various accumulator tanks, and main circulating pumps. Izhorsky Zavody has supplied over 60 seats of nuclear island equipment for NPPs in Russia, Ukraine, Bulgaria, Slovakia, Finland, India, China, and Iran. In May of 2011, Izhorsky Zavody shipped a VVER 1200 reactor vessel for Novovoronezh NPP-2. This was the first nuclear reactor vessel manufactured in Russia for Russian NPPs over the last 20 years. Izhorsky Zavody's competitive advantage is based on its own high-quality special steel industry within a single manufacturing complex with OMZ Special Steels. The manufacture of steel at OMZ Special Steels is carried out on Superpower latest generation steelmaking complex EAF 120. It has a capacity of more than 250,000 tons per year and enables the manufacturing of smelting weighing 70 to 600 tons. There are no analogs of such a steel furnace in Russia. Starting EAF 120 is the major investment project of OMZ Group on Izhora industrial site with the financial support of Gazprombank. Izhorsky Zavody's key competence is manufacturing of fully packaged primary vessel equipment for nuclear island scale NPP and unique petrochemical reactors of different purpose. Half a century of experience in developing and manufacturing vessel equipment for nuclear power stations at its accident-free work allow Izhorsky Zavody's successful presence on the market for vessels of petrochemical and oil and gas industry. Technology used in the manufacture of the vessel equipment of nuclear plant primary system has become base in the producing of unparalleled in Russia vessels for oil and gas processing industry at the highest international level. The manufacture of petrochemical reactors uses innovative chrome-molybdenum vanadium steel developed by the Research Center. The 2 largest hydrocracking reactors in Russia, weighing 1,200 tons each, are built at Izhorsky Zavody for the advanced refining complex of Taneco Company, Nizhnekamsk. Izhorsky Zavody has a private dock on the Neva River in the Ust-Slavyanka area for shipping of equipment weighing up to 1,400 tons. OMZ Foundry Company completes orders of any complexity for both military and civil shipbuilding, energy and general mechanical engineering, metallurgical and mining industries using steel produced in EAF 120. The main specialization of Izcartex is engineering, manufacturing, sale, and servicing of electrically powered mining excavators used for open-cut mining. Base models of Izhora excavators are the mainstay of excavation and loading equipment of mining enterprises in Russia and the CIS. In September 2011, excavator EKG-32R was put into trial operation with a bucket capacity of 32 cubic meters and operating weight of 950 tons. It is the most powerful excavator of the crowd power shovel type ever made in the USSR or in Russia. Uralchem-Mash is one of the leading manufacturers of equipment for the chemical and petrochemical industries, including hydrocracking and hydrotreating reactors. Uralchem-Mash mastered the production of unique containers for transportation of liquefied gas at temperatures below -50 degrees. Uralchem-Mash is ramping up the production of spherical tanks for oil and gas processing plants in Russia and abroad. A promising activity of Uralmash is the production of slide gate valves for the main oil pipelines. Glazovsky Zavod Chimmash is an engineering company of OMZ Group, specializing in the developing and manufacturing of small tonnage equipment weighing up to 65 tons for the nuclear power industry and chemical, oil, petrochemical, oil and gas, and other industries. A key investment project is to launch an automated open gas heating furnace, which can conduct heat treatment of products with a length of up to 12 meters and the weight up to 50 tons. More than 80 million rubles have been invested in the construction of the furnace with the financial support of Gazprom Bank. Cryogen-Mash is the leader in manufacturing of gas separation equipment. Air separation plants from Cryogen-Mash are able to produce up to 60,000 cubic meters of pure oxygen per hour for metallurgical industry. One of the focus areas of Cryogen-Mash is developing and manufacturing the equipment for liquefaction, storage, and transportation of natural gas. Cryogen-Mash has been dealing with the problems of membrane technology since 1975. Membrane units of Cryogen-Mash effectively remove methane from coal mines. For decades, the companies of OMZ Group have been leaders in the manufacture of nuclear power, petrochemical, drilling, mining, and metallurgical equipment. The position of leader is secured by innovative technologies, experience, highly professional staff, the continuity of generations of employees, and scientific and technical potential. OMZ Group is a unique Russian holding where special steel metallurgy and highly developed engineering successfully combine as part of a single research and manufacture complex. OMZ Group trademark guarantees quality, reliability, and safety of the produced equipment.